We bad mouth motherfuckers fast down here. Only thing we blowing is your brains out, nigga. Feel like a masterpiece. Ice Cube, we some down south gangsters with an attitude. I tell my son, keep it gangster, graduate from school. Let your pops hit these streets and let them carry tools. Never underestimate the power of the pen. I'm in the starting five, you niggas on the bench. I'm in my truck watching videos, I'm home alone. I have your ass missing like Lil Wayne styrofoam. Who need a 16 gone, nigga, place your order. We bad mouth motherfuckers like it's no tomorrow. I thought you was a G, shit could've fooled me. A G don't give a second chance, he put your ass to sleep. A G'll keep it quiet, he never talk about it. And when you see him coming, they wanna get from around him. Shout out to SB, shout out to Lone Boy. Guns ain't the only thing that's really lone, boy. Now what you try and do? I done that. You walk up in your house and it's pitch black. You hear that click clack, that old shit sound. Now the shoes switch sides, how it feel now. I wanna let you live, but it's up to y'all. 40 cal clips, I'm a fucking dog. Give me what I came for, here's a checklist. Happy birthday, nigga, this your death wish.